students, welcome back in your online classes. Today we are going to learn about notice writing. Notice writing is another short composition of your syllabus. During this lockdown, our school is not going properly in the classroom. So, CBSE board has decided to change your syllabus. As I already told you about the syllabus, now your English syllabus will come in the two parts, A part and B. And this one part will come in B part. B part, second question. And the weightage also has been changed this time. The weightage of notice writing is 3 marks. 3 marks, 1 marks for the format. Another 1 marks for the content. And another 1 marks for the expression. Expression means all the grammatical error, all the words which are you going to use in that notice writing. Everything has the weightage only 1 marks. That means if you have written wrong grammar, that means 1 marks will be deducted. If you have written the wrong spelling, that means 1 marks will be deducted. Content, that means each and everything in the precise way you have to write it in this content. And if you forget to write anything, that means 1 marks will be deducted. Format everything, that means the heading, notice, date, content, and the proper way of writing would be there. If you forget to make a box for it, if you forget to make the underline of the notice word, if you forget to write the notice word, if you forget to write the date, if you forget to write the heading, the organization date, that means you have done the wrong format. It means 1 marks for it. Now, let's start how to write or compose the good notice or perfect notice. Before then that, I just let you know why we are going to learn about the notice writing. Notice writing is a formal writing which has been used formally to inform the people in a mass. Mass means a large number. To convey a common message to all, to have to do or to give the information for coming up event. By this notice, people has to follow. Notice has been informed in a precise way. Only the important things we have to be right in the notice writing. Now let's start to learn how we will write. What are the important things we have to keep in our mind for notice writing. Learning objects of the notice writing. Learn the format of notice writing. Before learning the format, you are not able to capture the 1 marks. Learn the appropriate vocabulary and the structure to be used while writing a notice. Proper words you have to be used at the time of writing notice. Learn to write a notice as per the requirement. It means according to the topic which has been given to you in the examination or in your life. Maybe you could be the government officer in any organization. Would be you have a duty on your shoulders to write a notice to inform your colleagues, to inform your other office members. At that time, according to the requirement, you have to write the notice. Learn to convey the complete information of an event a number of people effectively. It means informing the people, number of people in an effective manner, in that manner, then each and everyone is able to understand what you want to convey. Concepts in watching. In this one module, what are the concepts? We are going to learn about the characteristics of a notice, types of notices, tips for writing of the notice, points of remember, format of a notice, and the sample notices. That means if we follow all these things, then we will be able to write a perfect notice. In this paper, the teacher has been asked about the notice. What are the different topics which can be included for the exhibition? So that means teacher already been a question to the students to ask to write a notice for the exhibition. See, this is a kind of a communication. What the thing we have to remember to write or to draft a notice? It is not possible to remember every bit of oral information. Why we are going to give the notice to the peoples? Because each and every word, not a single bit, that means not important bits, a small part of the notice, important things of the notice, not each and everyone able to remember. So, we are going to write notice of it. Written communication is always better than the oral communication. The purpose of a written communication is to enable effective communication. When we give the matter in a written, the people is able to read one, twice, thrice, and every time, then the things just keep on stuck in his mind. The students, the teacher make the notice and put the notice on the notice board, and the next week the students read it. In our school, the same thing also happened. What if the new information would be there? There is a notice on the notice board, and early in the morning, if the new information would be there, you just go and check it out. Then you will get the proper information by the notice only. Here also the picture shows this. The students are reading the notice and getting the new information. See. This is an example of a notice. What the students are reading on the notice, but this type of notice has been written. Earlier, the one teacher asked to the students in our school, a science exhibition going to held. So the next day, the students reach to the notice board and read it. This notice, see, Boston High School, and it's New York. Notice, see the format where the organization name has been written. See, there is a gap. That means you have to leave the line here. Notice, N-O-T-I-C-E, is in a capital letter. The word notice has been written in a capital letter, N-O-T-I-C-E. See, everything has been written in a capital letter. You will write down the organization name at the first line, at the mid of the line. See, it left the proper space. Both the spaces are equal, and after leaving one line, notice, N-O-T-I-C-E, capital letter it has been written, then underline. After that, then your date has to be mentioned here. In that mention the date, you will see the format of the date. 22nd, it is written December, D is capital, there is a comma, and the year has been written here. After that, leave one line, come to the center of the line, then science fair. The heading must be in the notice in capital letters D. See, there is a no underline. There is a no underline topic. Then the language of the notice. See, on the occasion of the World Science Day, this is the teacher want to highlight the World Science Day. The purpose, on which day, the day want to be highlighted here. So he wrote everything in a bold letters. We are organizing a science fair because the school has given this one. That's why he has been written we are. Always remember, at the place of are, do not use any past tense. If you have been used, that means already the thing has been happened. That means you have written wrong. A science fair, what is the thing going to be organized in the school? Science fair. From which date to date? 5th to 10th of Jan 2018. See, the timings for the student to visit, it will be from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. All the students of grade 10 to 12 are invited to participate in the working model making competition and exhibition. In the notice, see, the important things have to be mentioned by your wits. That means if the topic is there, you have to draft a notice for the science fair. There's so many things keep in your mind. What are the things you have to keep in mind? On which date going to be organized? Like on which date to from which date going to be organized? And for which dates are going to come in on that day? And the timing of that exhibition. If any other write it there. The last date for submitting the names to the undersigned will be undersigned. Underline this one word, undersigned, or note it down this one word. Undersigned means to whom you are going to give your names. Will be December 27, Thomas Rosa. See, after completing your notice, leave a line, then the name of the in charge. That means who the person has been authorized by the organization. If he is the person who is the undersigned. Thomas Zoser. If the assumption name would be there, you have to write that one. If it would not be there, you will write your name. Then the post of that, it is designation of that person, you have to write in charge. Who was Thomas Zoser? He is the in charge of that exhibitions. Understood? This is the format, this is the way to write a notice. One more important thing, you have seen there is a border line of this one poster. Sorry, this one notice. You have to write always notice in the box. Without box, your notice has not to be sanctioned. So keep in mind these things. Now let me read much more things about the notice. See, these type of notices you are able to see in your school notice board. Characteristics of our notice. What are the important things we have to keep in mind? I just make you a revise. Short piece of writing. I already told you only 50 words limits would be there. Formal in a style. That means formality. Formally you have to write. Do not write dear friends. No, these type of words you will use. Make information simple. The simplest information you have to write in a simple way. Then everybody, each and everyone have to understand. Concise, small, precise, short. Within a 50 words you are able to tell each and every important thing to them. Attractive. Little bit attractive means you have to be write in a proper format. Mostly printed or pasted on notice board. We have to make a more box and leave the space on all the sides because we have to pin the paper on notice board. Either you have to use a whole paper, it means sometimes if you are going to pin your words or alphabet going to be brief. Format of a well-written notice is placed within a box. Remember, do not be confused with if you are going to the end of the classes, do not be confused. Always placed in a box. Name of the institute or the organization. We have seen it has been written top of the notice in the bold letters. Use of the word notice NOTICE, only capital letter, and then underline only at the center of the line. Date of issue. First organization, then notice, then the date you have to write it. Relevant content in about 50 words. The content must have been in 50 words. Important information, all the important information you have to write within 50 words. At the last, where your content going to be over, after that, name and designation of the issuing authority. The person who has been undersigned or the person has authority on it, on that one issue, you have to write down the name of that person. It has to be given in that question or other. It has not been there, you will write your name or either your XYZ. Name of the school, notice, date of issue, heading, content, when, kab, why, क्यों, where, कहाँ, how, other relevant information. When, why, where, how you have to remember. What are the things you have to include in your content? When, why, where, how. When your content is going to be complete, then signature, that means you have to write your name and the designation. Do not assign, do not give your signature in the copy. Only write your complete name. C. Analyze of a notice. Name of the institution, the word of notice, then date, heading would be there, name of the organizer, that means organizer we are going to. Name of the event, which event going to see, we are going to celebrate the 2nd of October, Gandhi Jayanti. So that means event is Gandhi Jayanti. Details of date, on which date? 2nd October, obviously always birthday is on the day. Time, at which time in the Gandhi Udyan, at early in the morning, like on 2nd October we have to be collect at 9 a.m. in the Gandhi Udyan, and the place is the Gandhi Udyan, Bharati. Last date, if anybody want to present their poem or any speech on that day, they have to give their name before that last day, and what to do and what you are going to do on that day or that event. Then leave the line, that means it shows your content has been completed. Then signature is do not sign your. Do not sign. Write down word signature, then your name and the designation. The notice is put in a box. See, box would be there. See, like organization name, notice, see, date, heading. Have you noticed? See, in this one no underline would be there, but you have to put underline. See, always. The school is going a singing competition on this date from this one to this time in the school auditorium. Place is there. The competition will be the class wise. Interested students should be submit their names to undersigned date by this one. He has been signed, but you will not sign. Write down the name and who is he? School captain. Understood? Tips on how to write a notice. Again, plan out your notice in a rough working space. That means in the examination, you have to do your rough work in your mind. Write the notice within the statutory word limit. That is given within a given word limits. You have to write your notice. Make it visually appealing with a suitable heading and a catchy phrase. Catchy phrase. See, in the World Science Day, the word has been written in a bold form. That is eye-catchy. The event you have to write in a catchy way. Write the date of issue. Also, you have to mention the date. After that, write the relevant details like time, date, venue, what is about, who can participate, and so on. Not every time everybody has to participate. Not every, it is not mandatory. Check the grammar and style of the language. I already told you, do not write, do not use any past tense or either no past tense as well as no perfect tense you will write. Prepare the final draft. Then first of all, everything just keep in your mind. Make settle, then you will write. Put it into a box. When you complete it, when you will complete your whole notice, then you just make and close at the bottom. Points to remember, again the same thing would be there. Use the capital letter of details such as names of organization and captions. Dates can be placed at the top left hand corner. Always put the entire content in a box. The tone must be formal. There is no dear friends, no my dear ones. All communication must follow the standard norms of etiquette. That means if you are writing the very formal words, it cannot be considered as an etiquette. It means your notice shows the etiquette also. Put the names of the individual issuing the notice below, please her signature. Parenthesized followed by the designation. Abbreviation and symbol can also be used if you want. The message to be conveyed using a clear and simple language you will write it. Okay. 5 words. What is going to happen? That is the event. Where it will take place, when it will take place, 2 words are to what, where, when, who. Whom to contact, what apply to whom you are going to contact and undersign. What, where, when, who. Remember what, where, when, who. Yes, we have seen the sample of the notice. Like this one, you have lost your new water bottle in the school draft a notice to be put on the school notice board giving all the details. Sign your name as a Natalia. See, usually lost watch notice will be in the examination. See, now here the water bottle. This. Second word is school, comma, Texas. They will city, you have to be written, right? Notice, underline, date would be there, water bottle, lost. If your watch has been lost, watch lost or lost watch. A thermostat, water bottle was, thermostat, the water bottle was lost in the school library on 25th September, that is Friday. It is red color. See here, description of water bottle also be there. If you found, please return it to the undersigned. किसको देनी है? Undersigned is who is in charge of this one. A suitable reward is promised. Natalia, grade this to 1. Without principal's permission, you are not able to put this type, paste this type of notices on the school notice board. See again, ready? Then again, all the numbers, see the same underline would be there. Either use this one underline, either use this one underline. Any one have to underline. All the underlines who have been selected for the new project are required to attend on an important meeting on this day, timing, where, see dates, timing and place always you have to write. Some important instruction why it is going to be organized, the reason you have to be writing here. To whom, undersigned and who is in charge of this one, he. And who is he, CIO. I hope you all are able to understand. Now here is the one example question for the example. You are the head girl of your school, draft a notice to inform the student that a pre-plantation program is going to conduct it. Give the necessary details in the notice. Write down this one and draft in your English copy. This is enough for notice writing. I hope you all understood the importance of notice writing as well as how to write the good or effective notice. Thank you.